Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Chase Subaru account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.subarumotorsfinance.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Subaru. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of Subaru. Chase manages your Subaru Motors Finance account. So what you have to do is sign in using your chase.com username and password. So what you have to do is click on the field of username and enter the Chase username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forgot username or password, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter it. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot username or password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the username and password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Chase Subaru account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.